Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe advanced woodworking project or woodworks for beginners. My dear guys, some advanced woodworking project for experienced woodworks who want to challenge their skills. So, custom dining table. It is also advanced woodworking project, my dear guys. The material which is used for custom dining table, hardwood, metal or wood legs, so wood glue, screws, and stain. It is the material which is used for making a custom dining table. So some skill required for making these custom dining table. Jointing, first of all, it is also skill which is required for making a custom dining table, and routing and table saw use, sanding, and also finishing. So some different step which is used for making a dining table. Build a custom tabletop using hardwood boards and add intricate inlay patterns or live edge design for a unique look. So attach sturdy legs and finish with stain and protective coatings. So my dear guys, built-in bookshelves on the material which is used of plywood, hardwood trim, screws, some brackets and paint. So what skill is required for built-in bookshelf? Cabinetry, first of all, and wood joinery, measuring for exact fit, painting or staining. And when we talk about for making these different step, design custom floor to ceiling bookshelves to fit a wall in your home, and build and assemble the shelf unit with the precise cuts, and install crown molding and baseboard for a seamless professional finish. So some rocking chair, my dear guys, and the material which is used for rocking chair, hardwood, dowels, wood, glue, screws, and varnish. So skill requires shaping, curving wood, and mortise and tenon joints, sanding, and a different varnish which is used for rocking chair. So different step which is used shape the curved runners and armrests for the rocking chair, and assemble the seat and backrest using strong joints. So sand everything smooth and apply varnish for a long lasting finish. So wooden canny or kayak material, marine plywood use, so epoxy resin, so fiberglass cloth, and wood stripe which is used. So some skill which is required: curve wood lamination and epoxy application, fiberglassing and sanding. So some different step which is used for making build a wooden frame and cover it with the thin stripe of wood. So apply epoxy resin and fiberglass for waterproofing and durability. So sand and finish with varnish for a beautiful and functional boat. So wooden spiral staircase, the different material which is used: hardwood, metal rods, screws, wood glue, and varnish which is used for making a wooden spiral staircase. So some skill requires for my dear guys making precision cutting and routing, shaping woodworking method for spiral design. So design a spiral staircase and cut the curved step and assemble each step with precision to ensure it spiral correctly. Sand and finish the stair and install them with metal or wood supports. So some custom kitchen cabinet, plywood, hardwood cabinet hardware, paint or stain. So some skill which is required for a custom kitchen cabinet. So cabinet joinery, precise measurement, door and dryer construction. So different step which is used build custom cabinet frames and attach hardwood doors and dryers. So install shelves and dryer slides, finish with paint or stain, and add decorative hardware. So outdoor gazebo, the material which is used is a pressure treated wood, deck screws, and roofing material. So framing, roofing, measuring for outdoor structure, and build a hexagonal or octagonal frame for the gazebo. Add the roof structure and install roofing material. So finish the wall or railing with the detailed woodworking technique. So carved wood coffee tables, oh my god, guys, hardwood, plywood, and wood glue, dowels, varnish, and some skill require wood bending, complex joinery, and finishing. So bend wood to create a curved base or legs in different categories and in different positions. So sand and finish with a high gloss varnish for a sleek look. So some wooden roll top desk, hardwood dowels, wood glue, metal dryer slides. So cabinet making, curved wood construction, and a sliding mechanism. It is also skill required. So build the desk body with several dryers and cubes. Create the curved roll top from thin wooden slats that slide on a track. So sand and finish with a rich wooden stain and protective coating. So wooden grandfather clock, my dear guys, hardwood clock mechanism, dowels, wood glue, varnish. So some skill requires precise wood joinery, carving, routing, sanding, and clock assembly. So different step build a tall wooden case with intricate carving and molding. So install a clock mechanism and gloss front panel. Finish with a high quality wood stain and varnish to preserve the detail. So some wooden dresser with carved detail material which is used is a hardwood, dryer slides, wood glue, screws, varnish, and skill required cabinet making, carving, precise measuring, and also finishing. So different step which is used to build the dresser frame and dryers. So carve intricate design into the dryer's front or sides. So install dryer slide and finish with a varnish. So my dear guys, I think that my video and my idea inspired you much, and if inspired then subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. Thank you very much.